Okay. So, good morning everyone. I'm Alok Tandon, head sales for Vestige in India. Today I'm here again to go for a special international lucky draw for all our international distributors. It was designed for 2nd October to 7th October purchase. Whosoever is doing a purchase of 85 PV or more in multiple invoices will get a chance to win this mobile. So today we are going to take out 25 lucky names. We'll start now. So I hope you all must be waiting eagerly for this. So let's start with the first person, the person who's very senior with us, Yogendra ji, who's taking care of quality department here with us. And let me see how he takes as the first name. So sir, you will have to just press start.
Yeah.
So now you all can see that all the numbers are names are getting shuffled here. So when you press stop, one name will be there. That name is going to be highlighted. So it is going to be not going to be that big. Yes. So the first name that has come, that is Mehdi Hassan. Mehdi Hassan, Mr. Mehdi Hassan, congratulations to you for winning this mobile. So thank you so much. Congratulations. So one name has already come. Same way we will go for the second name as well. So we will go for the second name. Sir, can you take out the second name, please? Just yes.
Yes.
So the name of Mr. Mehdi Hassan is already here. So one name has come here. As soon as he stops, he'll get.
Yes.
So another name that has come. That is
Jackie Pale.
Jackie Pale. So Jackie Pale, congratulations to you, Jackie. So your name is the second name. So your name has also come here. So two people have already. Thank you so much. Thank you. So one person has taken two names. Let me go for the next person who is going to take that. Will you please come? So all our colleague of mine in Vestige here in India. So they are taking out those names. So let us see whose name comes the third one. Yes. Okay. Musfiqul Hassan. Muhammad Musfiqul Hassan. Congratulations to you. So your ID is 58504872. So I am taking your ID as well. 58504872. So your name is also there. So congratulations to you. Three names have already come. Nitesh, you are going to take the next name? Yes, please. Okay, so these people are not allowing anybody to wait for long. So Tanjila Khanam Sheila. So that's a big name. I hope I have produced this nicely. So your ID is 58986259. So congratulations. Thank you, young man. Thank you, young man. Young lady would like to come.
Yes, sir.
Okay. People are eagerly waiting, you know, and to see their names. And then she's also in a hurry. She's going to put the stop first, no? Let people wait. Okay, next name come Muhammad Sohag Bipari. So Muhammad Sohag Bipari, congratulations to you. Your distributor ID is 5853192. So congratulations to you too. Ma'am, can you take one more name, please?
Sure, sir.
So whenever we do this lucky draw with our employees, the things go very fast because everybody is busy in doing something or the other. They want to take out name fast and they want to move away. So let me see who's the next name which is coming out. So next name has come Devdulal Paul. So Devdulal Paul, congratulations to you. Your ID is 3003230. So congratulations to you too. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so very much. Yes, please. Who's the next one? So as usual, you will have to do this, you know. So who's the next name which is coming up? We have already received 6 names here. The 7th name is Sultana Perveen Ruma. Sultana Perveen Ruma, congratulations to you too. Yes, your ID is 58262571. So congratulations. for winning this mobile. So who's the next one? So everybody is taking 2 names out, so you are also supposed to do the same, please. Okay, people are waiting eagerly. Who's going to be the next one? Who's going to be the next one? So the next name is Meetu Mandal. Meetu Mandal, congratulations to you. Your ID is 588-03085. So congratulations to you too. Thank you, young man. Thank you so very much. May I request the next person to come? Please. Please, Pawan, so take out names. Yes. So we have already received 8 names. So 9th name Pawan is going to take out. So 9th name is going to be Mahendra Kumar. Mahendra Kumar, congratulations. Your ID is 97443076. So congratulations Mahendra Kumar for winning this wonderful mobile. So sir, now you have to take out one more. Okay. Okay, let's wait. Okay, fine. Okay, who's the next name? Who's going to be the next name? Okay, Mukleshwar Rahman. Mukleshwar Rahman. So congratulations, Mr. Rahman, to you too. Your ID is 58426249. So we have received 10 names. Thank you, Pawan. Thank you so very much. Who's the next one to come out? Take out of the names. Okay, fine. Yes. So this is going to be the 11th number. So we need to take a 25. So we are reaching almost halfway of the journey. So the next name that has come, Shahidul Islam, Muhammad Shahidul Islam. Congratulations for winning that mobile, and your ID is 30521056. So congratulations, Islam, Mr. Islam. Okay, fine. The next one. Okay, so Lawrence Korea. So Lawrence, congratulations to you too. Your ID is 710444832. So congratulations for winning. Thank you so very much, young man.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning,
everyone.
Very good morning. So you can see here as well. I don't mind. Seeing here. It's bigger screen is bigger, so it feels good while seeing it. Okay, so next name is Jahanara Begum. Mrs. Jahanara Begum. So congratulations to you, Jahanara Begum. Your ID is 30008686. So congratulations. Can you take out just one more name? Yes, very good. So you can stop whenever you feel like. Okay, let people wait. Yes, they should have that anxiety. You know, we are on the halfway. We have already received 13 names. Yes. Who's going to be the 14th one? Taslima Akhtar. Taslima Akhtar, congratulations to you. So your ID is 30507291. So congratulations. Thank you, young man. Thank you so very much. So now we have already received 14 names as of now. So very few names left. Yes, please do come. The next one who's going to do is...
Hi, sir.
Hi. And hi there as well.
Hi.
So you need to start. Okay, very early. Shyamal Chandra. Congratulations, Mr. Shyamal Chandra. 28992392 is your ID, and congratulations for winning the mobile. आपको एक नाम और निकालना है. So can you take one more name? Can you take out one more name, please? Yes, okay. Okay. Sonal Mansuklal Shah is the next name. 76201616. Congratulations, Sonal, for winning a mobile. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please. Yes.
Good morning, Vestige. I'm Surendra.
Yes, Surendra. So you are going to take out the name. This is an international lucky draw, right? So people who are getting this mobile is they are from other parts of the country. They are not from India. So you want to say something to them? Say, he's saying all the best.
All the best.
Okay, Eloy Nongram, congratulations to you. 30518859 is your ID. So congratulations to you. Okay, so you have to take out another name. Yes. So this is going to be the 18th name. Nasima Akhtar, congratulations. 30349175 is your ID. That's wonderful. Thank you so very much. Who's the next one? Yes, ma'am, please. You're welcome.
Morning, sir.
Very
Morning,
good.
everybody.
Good morning. So already 18 names are there in the list. You are going to take out the 19th lucky person and the 20th one. So two. So to whom you are going to make? You want? Okay. Shamarani Das, congratulations to you too. So it is 304365554 is your the one, that's the ID. People are not able to see you, so I feel you will have to come up and stand here in front. Okay, it's nice. We need to maintain some social distance. She comes and I'll have to go out of frame. So when she comes in the frame, I'll have to go out of the frame. So we'll have to maintain that social distancing. Okay, fine. The next name is Baldeep Kaur Surinder Singh. Wow. So your ID is 57484056. So congratulations. Thank you so much. So who's the next one who's going to come? Okay, fine. So back to back ladies. Yes, please. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Say, as per the Indian time, it is afternoon, but here in Vestige we always call it morning. So every time it is morning to us. So that's the reason everybody is calling good morning to you all. So who's going to take? Who's going to be the next one? Is this 21st name? Okay, fine. The 21st name. 21st name is going to be Muhammad Lalin. Congratulations. 582444240 is your ID. So next, who's going to be the next one? Okay. Oh, Saida Khatun, congratulations. Your ID is 30501066. So we have all, thank you ma'am. Thank you so very much. We have already taken out 22 names. So the last three names. Wow.
Good morning, all.
The person who comes to take out after 22nd is the one who's luckiest who takes out 3 names. So now you'll have to take out 3 names. Will that be fine?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So you'll have to start now. Yes, to take out the name. Okay, so Muhammad Ibrahim Hussain, congratulations, Ibrahim sir. 191777066 is your ID. So who's going to be the next one? Yes, you are doing slightly in a hurry. So let people wait for last 2 names. There should be some excitement, some anxiety. Okay, fine. It's going to be my name, whose name? So, yes. Whenever you feel like. Okay, fine. Nurul Kader, Muhammad Nurul Kader, congratulations to you. 300643363 is your ID. So it is 24th name. The last name for the day you are going to take now. Okay. So who's going to be the last one? Okay, who's going to be the last one? There are still so many names left behind. Who's going to be the last one? Okay. Let us. People are waiting. Okay, so you are going to be the last name. Who's going to be the last name? Yes, please. Okay, so last name is Mrs. Rosina Khatun. So Rosina Khatun, congratulations. Your ID is 586215337. So now 25 names are there. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so very much. So you can see all these 25 names are here. And congratulations to each one of you for winning this mobile and becoming that lucky person to get that mobile. So very soon somebody from Vestige will be getting in touch with you just to confirm your postal address and for other details. And later on we will be sending it to your addresses. Right? So congratulations and looking forward to see you soon. All the best. Wish you wealth. God bless you all.